Pakistan and Bangladesh have agreed to work closely at bilateral, regional, and multilateral levels for the progress and development of the people of both countries. The agreement to this effect came at a meeting between Prime Minister Muhammad Shehbaz and Chief Advisor of Interim Government of Bangladesh, Professor Muhammad Yunus, on the sidelines of the 79th session of UN General Assembly in New York. Speaking on the occasion, the Prime Minister highlighted country's strong fraternal ties with Bangladesh, based on common faith, history, and culture. He also emphasized that both sides need to work together to further strengthen the bilateral relations. Capitalizing on the immense goodwill and warmth among the people of both countries, Shehbaz encouraged fostering relations through parliamentary exchanges, people-to-people contacts, and interactions among sportspersons, academics, artists, students. The Prime Minister also extended an invitation to Professor Muhammad Yunus to undertake an official visit to Pakistan at his convenience, reinforcing the importance of regional cooperation and dialogue.